Welcome to Nuer-Language School. In today's topic, we are going to learn about the past activities, simple past tense. Thok Nath kekwide ke rietichewa. Rietichewa mean past tense or past activities. Before we proceed, please aid the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so when we upload a new lesson you can be notified. Mi jiram jidit gwas me gorono jin be subscribe kan Nuer-Language School ko metem chala rech chet kingit be chamala shubekeje. Let's begin it with this question. Chanje tokenama. What is the past tense? Past tense angulodamo. Past tense in Nuer language, riet michua. Riet michua, we can put it like that. Riet michua, angulodamo. Like, what is the past tense? Riet michua, angulodamo. Past tense, riet michua. Okay, we can put it like that. Okay. We use the past tense to talk about action that already happened. We are using the past tense to talk about things that happened already. Let's read teacher let murai kon kemiche Thok Nath. Read teacher let chet kan career teacher na right kwiden. A thing that already happened. Let's read teacher let murai kon kemiche Thok Nath. This action happened titi token ke teacher one tinche Thok Nath chet ke misha one, and when we say yesterday. Yesterday mean pan in Thok Nath, pan pa na pan. Yesterday pan. Last night tiang kawar. Last week jok issue, or you can say it jok e shang e in Thok Nath, but I prepared this one jok issue last week. Last year metar. Last year mean metar, or you can even say it this way ron e shiwa. Okay, ron e shiwa, but I prepared this one metar last year metar. Examples here. Example means shirt, we call it shirt. I worked yesterday and can spirit and chalet pan. Okay, let's change the color to red here. And chalet pan, I worked yesterday. And chalet pan, I worked yesterday. And chalet pan, yesterday mean pan. Okay, like we seen it already here. Yesterday mean pan. I worked yesterday and chalet pan. She went to school. Jen shewa dulgora. Okay, she mean nyam. Nyal shewa dulgora. We can also put it like that. Let me give you a clue here. She morluda ka Thok Nath nyal. Raja ka kui nyal. She went to school. Jen shewa dulgora. We repair jen to she. Go can show the canalat, but correct one. Jen show dul gora and nga nyal show dul gora. Ko she lodeningo nyal. We play football. We played football. Shine ngar ke kure shogni. Here we have this ngar, which is played, and we have when. When is the past tense of we. I mean with you can say it when mean we. I worked yesterday and chalet pan. Let, that is worked. And chalet pan. Jen shodul gora. Nyal shodul gora. Okay, this is simple. Okay, We played football yesterday. Alright, let's move on. There are these verb called regular verb. Regular verbs are, many verbs are regular verbs. It means that these are the words that we can add ed in the end. Regular verb creating gerke ka ed temishal ed la ed me create tonishal ka ke regular verb. Okay, we can say regular verbs to make them past tense. We add ed to make them past tense. La nanga ke create tichuwa me cha ed cha jalatin. So jandana ludo kwa semene. Here example they call larno shirt. Mlara jenone na work it. Work karwade a lot. Work it jen kwal choli ed kwal choli regular verb. De kon chol bachere ke rien mi cho chere ke pass. De kolar let. De kolar chelet. Chelet and temperature mi kon nanke ke she ke it. Let de choli let. Work they chole let. Work a lot. Work it go take a ed. You can see ed here. It means that shall let chereka past tense. Play it. Ngar changar. Okay. Watch it. Gwitch gwitch. Watch guatemala no lo ne gwitch. Mi gwitch door. Watch it chamu kd de konen gwa ed in the end chere meje kolar. These are regular verb chimpai konalat la ed la jalat ke. And word that end with ed it is called regular verb. Okay, chet ke gwitch gwitch. Clean lo ne clean it. Poach poach ka Thok Nath. So let's try to make sentence with this sentence cherkan ke do rietni. Okay, ka Thok Nath do priene. Dega kon ngech do priene sentences do priene. I work all day. En chalet ke chankelu. En chalet ke chankelu. Worked. Let. Okay. Let. We can put like that. Let en chalet ke chankelu. They played football. Ken shikangar ke kure shukni. Football mean kure shukni. This part kure shukni, which is football. Shikangar mean shikangar. This is played, which is past or regular verb. She watched TV last night. She watched TV last night. Jen chegwich ke TV tiang ka word. She lur ne nyal chiman channel lingwas she a nyal. Jen chegwich ke TV tiang ka word. Jen chegwich ke TV tiang ka word. She watched TV last night. Tekon ke gwich. Okay, let's come to these verb regular verbs. Regular verbs, these are verbs that do not need ed at the end. They do not use ed. Okay, rietin chi ed leslet ed me chicken agur ke chaka mo ke ed chicken chit kaman chol kone o verbs ko verbs gor can man chol ke ed. So irregular verbs, they are verbs that do not use ed in the end. Some verbs are irregular. Tang riene chicken ed gor kati chwalede chwalga ke irregular. You must learn them by memory. Bi crowd ngeke ke kabdu ke charko kie kare ngitado. One example create and contain chalke irregular verb. Let's learn about this word irregular verbs. Word that do not end with ed in the end. Go, when. Wear, shower. Eat, hate. Miss, shamit. See, saw. Nen, shenen. Come, came. Bir, shaben. Okay, here let's repeat it again. Go mean where. Okay, go where. When shower. When shower means you talk already, it is past already. Eat, miss. Eat, don't missni, missni. Missni, later add this. Okay, missni. Shamit mean hate, a past tense of eat. Eat, ate, missni, shamis. Okay. See, nen, michi donen. So, chenen, shall so. Come, ber. When you want to somebody come, you can say ber in Thok Nath or in your language. Ber. Cam, chaben, keben. Okay, you can use such. Let's move on to make sentences. I don't know, dope, rieni. Okay, dope rieni. Dope rieni mean sentences in Thok Nath. I went to work. And shawalet. Shower. Okay, shower. And shawalet. He hate breakfast. Jen shamit kakwan ronwang. Miss. Okay, miss ate, which is past and it is irregular verb. We saw a movie. Chinei movie nen. Okay, chinei movie nen. Okay, chinei movie which. In Thok Nath we say chinei movie which. We watch movie, but this is we saw a movie. Chinei movie nen. Okay. Allo name actually irregular again lo magwad me nen. Okay, chinei movie nen. Let's talking about yesterday. Right, kui chang epan. Right on kamichi.jok, like we are talking about yesterday. Talking about yesterday. Yesterday a michi work Thok Nath la chere ka pan. Ko right kon ke past ban edil ngajeno right kon ke kui cheng ni te pan te chitok pan. Now let's talk about yesterday. And tell me, chana right ke kui chang epan. Okay, examples they can chale chat jan lo magwas mane. Okay, yesterday I woke up early. Pan en charoda jej ne poda. Pan en charoda jej ne poda. Yesterday I woke up early. Pan en charoda jej ne poda. I went to work or school. I went to school. Di larno nena. En chawo gwalat kie en chawo dulgora. Okay, you can say it two ways. En chawo gwalat kie en chawo dulgora. I went to work or school. En chawo gwalat, or you can say en chawo dulgora. I came back home in the evening. En chua lun cheng katiang. I came back home in the evening. En chua lun cheng katiang. I slept at 10 p.m. En chua toy ke tawel p.m. En chua toy ke tawel p.m. I slept chua torch this part. I came back home chua lun cheng. Okay, ke chua lun jok, you can put jok. Chua lun jok, I come back home. Chua lun jok. I went to work. Shower. Okay, shower. And yesterday I woke up early. Charoda jesh nipoda. Woke up jesh nipoda. Jane. Okay. Yesterday I woke up early. Pan and charoda jesh nipoda. I went to work or school and shawu gwalat or and shawdulgora. I came back home in the evening and shwalunjok sheng katiang. I slept at 10 p.m. and shwatoch keta well p.m. Student practice mi jin gadwil gora de ti practice. You can practice this. Now it is your turn and tell me a jiwe or they call arno a jinwe or something like that. Now it is your turn and tell me a jin we or answer this question loitini titini ke loitini titi. Answer this question titi, like there are many. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Ngu. Okay, this is a question that you can use. Okay. What did you do yesterday? Ngu shilato pan. Ngu shilato pan. Ngu shilato pan. Okay. Did you work or study? Jin chilet ki shikwen. Did you work or did you study? Jin chilet ki jin shikwen. What did you eat? What did you eat? Jin ngu chichamo. Jin ngu chichamo. What did you eat? Try to speak in full sentence. One will be right. Kado brida kelio. Example, Keshat, yesterday I work and I eat lunch at home. Yesterday I work and I eat lunch at home. Let's take a look at this. Yesterday I work. Okay, let me pull this up. Okay. Yesterday I work and I eat lunch at home. We can say pan and shwalet ka shwamit ka kwen. Okay. Mugu dong de ngach. Okay. Yesterday I work and I eat lunch at home. Pan and shwalet ka and shwamis ka kwen changdar cheng. Okay. Here we have lunch, which is call it kwen changdar. Okay, lunch. The konachol no kwen changdar, like this one, kwen changdar. Okay. And then we have worked, lat. Okay, chwalet, like this is also genital. Okay, regular. Okay, work, take ed. So this is the lesson. So if you have any question, please drop it, and do not forget to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, and do not forget to practice every day so that you can learn Thok Nath. And bana jegamudien on no jin broding cha katiti kot kenten kon dong de randa ro de ka ni chang mugor jin obutok bijangach la ro do mo je time ko jin buwa katen kon dong de randa re ka nge cha bana jegamudien biate kamal.